Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Dear King Dhruv, neither your forefathers nor anyone else before you ever achieved such a transcendental planet. The planet known as Vishnu Loka, where Lord Vishnu personally resides, is the highest of all. It is worshipable by the inhabitants of all other planets within the universe. Please come with us and live there eternally. When Dhruv Maharaj went to perform austerities, he was very determined to achieve a post never dreamed of by his forefathers. His father was Uttanapada, his grandfather was Manu, and his great-grandfather was Lord Brahma. So Dhruv wanted a kingdom even greater than Lord Brahma could achieve, and he requested Narad Muni to give him facility for achieving it. The associates of Lord Vishnu reminded him that not only his forefathers but everyone else before him was unable to attain Vishnu Loka, the planet where Lord Vishnu resides. This is because everyone within this material world is either a kami, a jnani, or a yogi, but there are hardly any pure devotees. The transcendental planet known as Vishnu Loka is especially meant for devotees, not for kamis, jnanis, or yogis. Great rishis or demigods can hardly approach Brahmloka, and as stated in Bhagavad Gita, Brahmloka is not a permanent residence. Lord Brahma's duration of life is so long that it is difficult to estimate even the duration of one day in his life, and yet Lord Brahma also dies, as do the residents of his planet. Bhagavad Gita says, Abrahma Bhuvanal Lokuna Avartino Rajuna. Except for those who go to Vishnaloka, everyone is subjected to the four principles of material life, namely birth, death, old age, and disease. The Lord says, Yad Gatvana Nivatante Dhamma Paramam Mama, the planet from which, once going, no one returns, is my supreme abode. Dhruv Maharaj was reminded, you are going in our company to that planet from which no one returns to this material world. Material scientists are attempting to go to the moon and other planets, but they cannot imagine going to the topmost planet, Brahmloka, for it is beyond their imagination. By material calculation, travelling at the speed of light, it would take 40,000 light years to reach the topmost planet. By mechanical processes, we are unable to reach the topmost planet of this universe, but the process called Bhakti Yoga, as executed by Maharaj Dhruv, can give one the facility not only to reach other planets within this universe, but also to reach beyond this universe to the Vishnaloka planets. We have outlined this in our small booklet, Easy Journey to Other Planets.